We'll guide you through how to create art in Krita with our painting tutorial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and start by creating a new document by clicking on File in the top menu, then select New. Choose the size and resolution that fits your project, for instance, A4 at 300 dpi for print quality. Once your canvas is ready, familiarize yourself with the toolbars. On the left side, you'll find the brush tool, which is your primary tool for painting. Click on it and explore the brush presets by opening the brush presets docker, typically on the right. You can try different brushes to see which one suits your style, from basic round brushes to textured ones. Now, to start painting, you can select a color from the color wheel located on the right side by clicking and dragging the selector to your desired hue and shade. If you need more control, you can use the advanced color selector for more nuanced choices. As you paint, remember you can adjust the brush size quickly by holding Shift and dragging your pen or mouse. This allows for fine detail work or broad strokes without interrupting your workflow. Layers are critical in digital painting, so open the Layers docker if it's not visible. Create new layers for different elements of your painting by clicking the New Layer button, which helps in managing and editing individual parts without affecting others. It's often helpful to create a base layer with a neutral color to build upon, then add highlights and shadows on separate layers for depth. To refine your work, use the smudge or blur tools found in the toolbox to blend colors smoothly. And don't forget the undo shortcut, Ctrl+Z, is your best friend for quickly fixing mistakes. Save your work regularly by going to File and then Save As, choosing a format like .kra for editable files or .png for sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.